Raju owned a hotel. This is a hotel. It is Raju's hotel. He became ill after he get the order, a big order. Then he became ill. He's worried about it. The mixer came and offered to help. The recipe book welcomed it. The mixer didn't just stand in the corner. He went over and asked if he could help. This is such a nice way to start a friendship. The recipe book was very happy to have a new partner. He welcomed the mixer with a big smile and thumbs up. Now let's read the remaining story. A knife came and said, I can slice and dice the vegetables. Get ready, my dear tomatoes, chilies, and onions. Here I come. Finally, the stove came and said, hello, can I help you? Yes, you are most welcome, said the recipe book. Come on, friends, let's begin cooking, said the recipe book, and they prepared all dishes for the dinner. Raju woke up after a couple of hours and entered the kitchen. He was surprised. He said to himself, I can't believe this. All the food for the party is ready. Raju tasted the food and it was delicious. He realized it was done by the recipe book. He looked at the recipe book and said, who helped you in cooking? The recipe book pointed to the pot, the mixer, the knife, and the stove. Raju asked them, Raju thanked them all for preparing such a delicious dinner. In the last class, all the items pot, mixer, knife, and stove worked together. Pot, mixer, knife, and stove. They are worked together. Raju entered the kitchen and was surprised. After getting up from bed, he went into the kitchen. He found that the flavor is the flavor highly pleasing. He concluded that it was delicious.
Wow, I am so hungry. This looks delicious. Mmm.
The recipe book pointed to the pot, mixer, knife, and stove. Who helped? Okay, let us see one by one. Pot, mixer, knife, stove. All these partners helped the Raju. Raju was surprised and thanked the recipe book for his help.
Thank you so much for everything. And thank you for the wonderful stories. You all helped make this possible. Thank you all.
Now the new vocabulary learned in this story. Cook, a person who prepares food. Of course, the other meaning, cook means here cook is a noun. The other meaning of cook is it is a verb. Cooking. Cook is a verb. Cooking. So we can use two ways. One is noun, the other one is verb. Worried, feeling afraid and unhappy. Recipe book, a book with cooking methods. A book contains a lot of methods and different kinds of methods of cooking delicious food. So delicious means tasty. Realized, understood. Realized means understood. Okay, done.
Teamwork and gratitude are important. Thank you, everyone.
What did you learn today? Yes, Raju has a new hotel, a small hotel, and Raju's illness because he was feeling not well. He wasn't feeling well. His friends, who are these? Who are the friends of Raju here? Yes, the utensils, mixer, uh, mixer, res recipe book, mixer, and stove and knife. All of these friends of Raju, and these friends led to a group effort in cooking. And once the food was ready, the story concluded. So, uh, with a warm expression of thanks. So, we have learnt in this story some vocabulary, that is cook, worried, recipe book, delicious, realized. And finally, we learnt the story, a moral from the story. Teamwork and gratitude are important. Without teamwork and gratitude, we can't move forward. Look at the grid given below. Identify the things we use in the kitchen. Circle the words. One is done for you. All are these words. Uh, these are all tools used in kitchen. Find out the words in this grid. Okay, let us start. Ladle, knife, peeler, pot, plate, tumbler, funnel, bowl.